Most people throw away an old frying pan once it becomes covered in grease, soot, and burnt stains. But what if a few simple kitchen ingredients could make it look clean and shiny again? Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, I'll show you a satisfying kitchen restoration method that helps break down stubborn buildup and bring an old pan back to life using simple household items. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prep. First, remove the handle so it's easier to clean every part of the pan. Now sprinkle baking soda across the surface to help soften grease and burnt buildup. After that, pour Coca-Cola over the pan to help loosen old soot and dark stains. Next, wrap the pan with paper towels so the cleaning mixture stays on the surface longer. Then flip the pan over and repeat the same process on the other side. Don't forget to clean the handle and smaller parts as well. Step 2. Cleaning. Now carefully pour boiling water over everything. The heat helps activate the cleaning process and loosen stubborn buildup even more. After letting it sit for a while, use a sponge to scrub away the top layer of soot and grease. For tougher stains, apply a little extra pressure while cleaning. You'll start seeing the dark buildup slowly breaking apart from the surface. Step 3. Finish. Now apply a small amount of toothpaste onto the pan. Use a toothbrush to polish the surface, especially around areas where stains still remain. The toothpaste helps restore shine and improve the final finish of the metal surface. Next, rinse everything thoroughly under running water. For the bottom surface exposed to direct heat, you can also use a metal sponge to remove any remaining soot. Finally, dry all the parts completely and reassemble the pan. The final result looks dramatically cleaner and much closer to new again. And just like that, an old burnt pan gets a second life. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next one.